So how this work is, suppose I am selecting task 2, based on that the progress tracker is updating, and if I am selecting task 3, again the tracker has been updated. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Dose. Today we learn how to create a progress tracker in Excel. For that, what we have to do is we have to go to the developer tab, then click on insert, then select checkbox, then we have to create checkbox here. So I am creating this one. So give the any of the name. So in this case I am giving task 1. Let me give space some. You can adjust the size and width accordingly. Then just copy this one and paste here, because we have to create multiple. I'm creating 5. So just give the name task 2. So here just giving task 3. Once it is done, what you have to do is right click on this and click on format control. New pop-up will come. In that, make sure this one is checked. Then give the cell link. In this case I am giving the C4. Okay, for this particular, let me just expand so that it will show as a true. For the same way we have to give to the task 2 format control. Again check the corresponding value accordingly. So how it works is, suppose if I am uncheck this one, it will show me as a false. Okay, now the same way giving for task 3. So this is how you can do it. So if I'm selecting task 1, it's showing me true, and if it is unchecked, based on that the value is getting false. Okay, then I'm writing here true, false, and total, because we have to create a now progress chart. Here progress. Okay, now we have to use the count function. For that, count if, select the range, then give the criteria, because wherever it is true it should calculate the value. In this case we have a 2 true, based on that it giving the value. So if I am selecting this one, now you can see the value have been updated. The same way we have to use for false also. Count if, then select the range, then give the value. Okay, now you can see there are 3 true and 2 false. Now based on that it's getting updated. Now we have to use the sum function here. Now the total value is 5. For the progress we have to use true divided by total number of value, so it is 80%. Okay, if I am selecting all, it should be 100%. Then I have to select both these value, then go to the insert, select bar here. Okay, you can select any of the bar, or if you want to change the color also, you can change accordingly. Okay, then adjust the size. Okay, then right click on this one, format axis, then give the minimum value as 0.0 and the maximum as 1. Okay, so that it show me the value of 0 to 100%. Okay, now let me unselect any of the value. Now what I have to do is I have to give the data labels. Okay, then select the data label, then format and click on inside end. Okay, so that the value can comes over the bar. Okay, now if I am updating this one, you can see it's updating based on this value. This is how you can create a progress tracker in Excel. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Excel Doors. Thank you.